So we'll learn how we can use so instead of like. So here structure should be like so or neither for negative sentences plus auxiliary verb plus generally subject. Someone if they are telling like I am tired, so to agree on that you can will say like I am tired too. So as alternative sentence we can tell the same thing as so am I, means I am tired too. Let's know about other sentences like if someone telling I like studying, so you can tell like I do, so do I, means I like studying too. So simply, or other sentences like I am happy, so you can tell like so am I, means I am happy too. If it is a past tense, I was happy, you can tell like so was I. Present tense, if you are telling for someone like she is happy, so same thing. If you tell, if you are telling, you should tell like uh, so is she, or she was happy, so was she. I need more money, you can tell like there I need more money too. So alternatively we will say so do I needed more money, it's a past tense, so you should tell like so did I. No need to repeat the exact sentences, you can simply say so did I. Or Steve likes pizza, and if you want to tell like Mary also likes, Mary likes pizza too, rather telling that you can tell so does Mary. She can play the guitar, so can I, means I can play the guitar too. We could see the stairs, so could I, means I could also see the stairs too. I am not tired. Now is a negative thing, so neither I am, means I am not tired too. So neither plus auxiliary verb plus subject. Neither I am. I was not ready. Neither was I. This is a short form how we can tell that. Rather repeating the exact sentences. Or Tom can't speak French. Neither can Mary. So Tom cannot speak French. Even Mary cannot speak French too. Like that. Or I can't swim. Neither can I. So someone is telling I can't swim. So you are telling even neither can I. I can't swim too. Means I can't swim either. Or too. Hope you understand this, how we can use so or use of neither as a sentence. Or they have finished their work. So have I. means I have finished the work too. So have I. Short and simple. I hope you enjoyed the video and you learned how you can briefly tell anything as a to agree on something or to disagree on something using so and neither. So if you are new to my channel, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon so that you will not miss any notification from my channel. So keep in touch.